I got the big one there.
Oh yeah, look at that. He's dead. Big cow, huh?
Yeah. Look at that guy. Not as big as Tim's.
Still alive. My goodness.
That's a nice bull. I'm gonna go get the kids and my wife. Okay. Cody, what are we doing?
Looking for the boo.
That we got?
Oh my goodness. It's over here.
We got a long ways to go back to the car, Luke. We did. We got a ways to go on the... Did I pass them? No. Keep going. I like it.
Oh! Whoa! Not here.
Cody, set that gun down and go pick the rack up.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's a good bull.
Yeah. I thought that it
Looks like you hit him in the right spot.
Yep.
I thought it wasn't quite.
Go ahead, Cody.
I thought it wasn't.
We got pulled that rack up. Go on the other side. On the other side. He's just really spindly.
Yeah.
Boy, is he ever tall.
Yeah. Not a lot as far as tines, but
Hey, I'm happy with it.
yeah.
So I'm pretty excited. I got my biggest caribou yet. He's nice and tall. Not real heavy, but this one might take me a little bit to beat. But nice tall, big rack. Pretty excited. We've been hunting all day and saw some animals that got away on us, but we were really thrilled when we saw this guy laying down in the field about 800 yards away. So we put a stock on him and we got him.
Here, if you can call my
So
dad.
these guys rescued us on the road here. We were about 2 miles and they got a little turned around. We're kind of in a blizzard and it's pretty thick in there
Well, you probably only
where we got those caribou. So now we got to go in for a late night and go get them.
Where did he
So
service up the road?
You
Just
got
where
your
he
work
put
cut out for you for sure, huh?
it's gonna be fun.
Take off a couple layers.
These guys were out hunting too. They got a nice billy goat.
That is really cool.
It's just really awesome.
Sheldon's first billy, 3,000 feet of climbing up in the Alpine. It was deep snow and lots of willows and lots of Devil's Club and lots of hiking.
But worth it.
And so this is basically the Alaskan spirit right now. You see someone having trouble and you stop and you help them, and these guys kind of saved our tail from walking another couple of miles, so and helped us find each other and worry a little bit less. Call your dad.
Why?
I told him if you don't hear from us in an hour, call missing person.
What?
Yeah.
How did
Oh
you
yeah.
call him?
For these guys.
There's no cell service here though.
They had cell service.
Really? Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
Here, I'll
Saved
show
us
you
that
this
much
picture
extra
of
time.
the.
Oh man, so after telling me it'd be an hour and a half, and they left at 6:39, I gave it until 8:39, 2 hours. It's now almost 11 p.m., so I'm sure you can still hear the shaking in my voice. I was pretty nervous, but seeing this light come through the woods was wonderful. So let's go check this out.
So
I'm ready to jump in the vehicle. I need some food. I'm
we left at 6:30. It's 11 now. We got turned around 3 times. The snow and the dark make it really
Oh my word! Look at this sled! Do you have a light you can shine on it for a second? Oh my gosh! Good job, boys!
2 caribou on at least 1.5 foot sled.
Oh my goodness.
This one's way lighter.
Yeah, her rack is really small.
You get done, you get unlost, you get out, and you still got a couple hour drive in this. It's been quite a night. What time is it? 1:30? Oof.
Goal was 2, but
Almost 2 o'clock. be home probably at about 2 o'clock. Bed'll feel good. What an adventure.
Leave us a like, leave us a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.